Well, I made my curry, and since I don't have any meat defrosted or anything, I made a vegetarian curry. Now, I can't have rice, so I started with the base of the cauliflower and put in, I've got some bell pepper, tofu, egg, spring onions. And so let's see what we have here. Is it edible? It actually turned out really good. So tofu, an egg, spring onions, bell pepper with the Japanese curry, and the cauliflower base. And it actually turned out good. It's edible for sure. I would do this again. Thanks for tuning in. See you online.